So this is a problem on dependent probability. Why? It says without replacement. So we take each time and we don't put it back. So let's first get how many balls are here. We have 6 red balls, 9 blue balls, and 5 green balls. How many balls in total? 6 plus 9 is 15. That's 20 balls. So what is the probability that both are red? So probability that both red. So that means the first is red and the second is also red. So first is red and second is red. So that's probability of red. Since it's and is times probability of red. So if you take the first one, we have all the balls inside the bag. So we have 6 red balls and we have 20 balls in total. So that will be 6 over 20 times. Since there's no replacement, we've taken 1 red ball, so we'll have 1 less red ball, meaning that we now have 5 red balls. And also we have 1 less ball. So instead of 20, we now have 19 balls. So that'll be 5 over 19. So 5 goes into 20 4 times. 2 goes into 4 2 times and goes into 6 3 times. So you're going to have 3 over 38 as the probability that both are red. Let's do for one is blue, the other is green. So probability that the one is blue and the other is green, it can be one is blue and the other is green, as the first one is blue and the second one is green, or the first one is green and the second one is blue. So except if they said the first is blue and the second is green, then you only do for blue and green. If they say one is this and the other is that, you have to do for both of them. So this will be blue and green, or green and blue. So all means plus. So it's probability of blue and green, or the probability of green and blue. So blue and green. Now if we're taking blue, the first blue is going to be 9 over 20. Without replacement, the second, the green, would still be 5, but we have 1 less ball, so that will be 5 over 19. Then we're done with this event. For the other one, green, the first pool will have 5 green balls over 20. Then for blue, we'll have 9 blue balls, but it will be over 19, right? So 5 goes here once and 5 goes here 4 times. 5 goes here once and 5 goes here 4 times also. So we have 9, 4 times 19 is what? That's 38, that's 76. And 9 over 76 here. So that gives you 18 over, let me write it here, 18 over 76. So 18 over 76, 2 goes into 18 9 times, and 2 goes into 76 38 times. So it means that another number can go, probably, no number, yeah. This is our answer, 9 over 38. So the probability that they're the same color will be red, red, or blue, blue, or green, green. So that's probability of red, red. Probability of red, red, P red, red, plus P blue, blue, plus P green, green. So the first is blue, red, and the first is red will be 6 over 20. Then the second will be 5 red over 19 balls in total, plus. So the second now, so we're doing blue, blue. The first will be what?
9 over 20.
9 over 20 plus the second will be
8 over 19.
8 over 19. Now the third,
5 over 20.
5 over 20 plus
4 over 19.
Okay, so we're making a mistake. It's not plus, it should be times. So that will be 4 over 19. So it's times, then plus outside. So we can do, let's go 5 here, 1, 5 here, 4.
4.
4 here, 2, 4 here,
5.
5. 5 here, 1, 5 here, 4, and 4 here, 1, 4 here, 1. 2 here, 2, 2 here,
3.
3. So I think that's all that can go. So you have 3 over 2 times 1 over 19
So it's
here.
3 over 38.
3 over
38.
3 over 38. So just 3 over 38 here plus is
18.
18 over 95. Then that's 1
Over
over
19.
19. So we can use a calculator to add this. Let's do that. 338 plus 18, 95 plus 119. Yeah, 61 over 190. That's your answer.